Welcome to Invest and Empower. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Kindle Publishing and eBook sales. Kindle Publishing and eBook sales provide authors and content creators with the opportunity to self-publish and sell their books in digital format through Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) platform. Here's an overview of Kindle Publishing and eBook sales. Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP). KDP is Amazon's self-publishing platform that allows authors to upload and publish their ebooks directly to the Kindle store. It offers a user-friendly interface and tools to format, publish, and manage ebook content. Publishing tools. KDP provides authors with a range of tools to format and prepare their ebooks for publishing. Authors can use software like Microsoft Word or specialized ebook formatting tools to ensure their content displays correctly on Kindle devices and apps. Global distribution. Once an ebook is published on KDP, it becomes available for purchase in the Kindle store, which is accessible to customers worldwide. Authors can reach a global audience and potentially generate sales in multiple countries. Pricing and royalties. Authors have control over the pricing of their ebooks on KDP. They can set the list price within specific price ranges or participate in promotional pricing campaigns. Authors can choose between two royalty options: a 35% royalty on the list price, or a 70% royalty if the book meets certain pricing and distribution criteria. Kindle Select and Kindle Unlimited. Kindle Select is an optional program that allows authors to make their ebooks exclusive to Amazon for a specified period. By enrolling in Kindle Select, authors gain access to promotional tools, including Kindle Countdown deals and free book promotions. Kindle Select enrollment also enables participation in Kindle Unlimited, a subscription service where readers can borrow and read ebooks. Authors earn royalties based on the number of pages read by Kindle Unlimited subscribers. Sales reporting and analytics. KDP provides authors with real-time sales reporting and analytics. Authors can monitor their ebook sales, track royalties earned, and access insights into reader behavior. This data helps authors evaluate the performance of their ebooks and make informed decisions. Ebook creation and formatting. Authors can create their ebooks using various tools, such as Microsoft Word or specialized ebook creation software like Calibre. Formatting guidelines provided by KDP help ensure that ebooks display correctly on Kindle devices and apps. Prepare your manuscript. Start with a well-edited and proofread manuscript in a digital format, typically in Microsoft Word, Doc or Docs, or a similar word processing software. Structure your ebook. Organize your manuscript into sections, chapters, and subheadings to create a logical flow. Use consistent formatting for headings, subheadings, and body text throughout the document. Add front matter and back matter. Include elements like a title page, copyright page, table of contents, dedication, acknowledgments, author bio, and any other relevant sections. These components provide essential information and enhance the overall professionalism of your ebook. Format text and paragraphs. Apply consistent formatting to the text, such as font style, size, and color. Use paragraph styles to ensure consistent spacing, indentation, and alignment. Consider using readable fonts suitable for digital reading. Add images and graphics. If your book includes images, charts, or other visual elements, ensure they are high quality and properly sized for digital viewing. Insert images into the document and position them appropriately alongside related text. Book cover design. A visually appealing and professional book cover is crucial for attracting readers. Authors can design their own covers using graphic design software or hire a professional cover designer. Understand your book and target audience. Familiarize yourself with the genre, theme, and tone of your book. Consider the preferences and expectations of your target audience. Research successful book covers in your genre to get inspiration and identify design trends. Hire a professional designer or DIY. Decide whether to hire a professional book cover designer or create the cover yourself. While professional designers bring expertise and creativity, designing it yourself can be cost-effective if you have design skills or access to design software. Focus on visual impact. Create a visually striking cover that captures attention and piques curiosity. Use compelling images, colors, and typography to create a visually appealing composition. Ensure that the cover stands out in thumbnail size, as it will be viewed on online platforms. Reflect the book's content and genre. The cover should give readers a sense of what the book is about and its genre. Use relevant imagery, symbols, or elements that represent the themes, characters, or setting of the book. Align the design elements with the expectations of readers in the genre. Typography. Choose fonts that are legible and appropriate for your book's genre and style. Experiment with font styles, sizes, and colors to create a visually appealing and readable title and author name. Ensure the text is clear and easily readable in both thumbnail and full-size formats. Publishing process. Authors can create a new title within their KDP account, enter book details, title, author, description, etc., upload the ebook file, and set the pricing and distribution options. KDP supports multiple languages and allows authors to publish ebooks globally. Pricing and royalties. Authors have control over the pricing of their ebooks. They can choose between two royalty options, a 35% royalty on the list price or a 70% royalty if certain pricing and distribution criteria are met. Royalty payments are typically based on net sales, deducting applicable taxes and delivery costs. Kindle Select and Kindle Unlimited. Authors can enroll their ebooks in Kindle Select, a program that provides additional promotional opportunities. By enrolling in Kindle Select, authors make their ebook exclusive to Amazon for a specified period and have access to Kindle Unlimited, a subscription service where readers can borrow and read ebooks. Authors earn royalties based on the number of pages read by Kindle Unlimited subscribers. Marketing and promotion. Successful ebook sales often require effective marketing and promotion strategies. Authors can utilize various tactics, such as leveraging social media platforms, running advertising campaigns, engaging with book bloggers or reviewers, participating in virtual book tours, and optimizing their book descriptions and keywords for searchability on Amazon. Develop a marketing plan. Create a comprehensive plan that outlines your marketing goals, target audience, strategies, and tactics. Include both online and offline marketing channels and set a budget for promotional activities. Author platform and branding. Build an author platform, which includes your website, blog, and social media presence. Establish your brand identity and maintain consistent messaging and visual elements across all platforms. Engaging book description. Craft a compelling and concise book description that highlights the unique selling points, books the reader's interest, and entices them to purchase the book. Optimize it with relevant keywords for search engine optimization, SEO. Professional book cover. Design an eye-catching and professional book cover that reflects the genre, theme, and tone of your book. A visually appealing cover will attract readers and generate interest. Author website and blog. Create an author website to showcase your books, provide information about yourself, and engage with readers. Maintain an active blog where you can share updates, behind-the-scenes content, and interact with your audience. Social media presence. Leverage social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn to connect with your target audience, share updates, engage in conversations, and promote your book. Utilize relevant hashtags and engage with book-related communities and influencers. Email marketing. Build an email list of interested readers and engage with them through a regular newsletter. Provide exclusive content, updates, promotions, and behind-the-scenes insights to maintain their interest and encourage book sales. Sales and royalties reporting. KDP provides real-time sales reporting, allowing authors to track their ebook sales, royalties earned, and other performance metrics. This information helps authors evaluate the effectiveness of their marketing efforts and make informed decisions. Kindle Direct Publishing Select Global Fund. Authors who enroll their ebooks in Kindle Select and make them available to Kindle Unlimited subscribers are eligible to earn a share of the Kindle Direct Publishing Select Global Fund. This fund is distributed monthly based on the number of pages read by Kindle Unlimited subscribers across all enrolled titles. Kindle Publishing and ebook sales provide authors with a convenient and accessible platform to publish and distribute their books worldwide. With effective marketing strategies, engaging content, and an understanding of the ebook market, authors can reach a global audience and potentially generate significant sales and royalties through Kindle Direct Publishing. This is it for today's video. What do you think about our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.